Do you know that the very thing you hate about yourself, the overthinking, the endless mental loops, the 3 a.m. thought spirals, is actually your brain trying to create your reality? Most people think manifesting is about positive vibes and vision boards, but neuroscience says something completely different. And once you understand this, you'll never look at your own mind the same way again. Stay with me, because what I'm about to show you is backed by brain science, and it changes everything. You've been told overthinking is a problem, a flaw, something to fix or suppress. You replay conversations, you imagine worst-case scenarios, you plan, replan, and then plan again. And somewhere along the way, you started to believe that your mind was working against you. But here's what nobody told you. You are not broken. You are not weak. Your brain is actually doing something extraordinary, and most people never learn to use it. Let's talk about neuroplasticity. This is one of the most powerful discoveries in modern neuroscience. Neuroplasticity means your brain physically reshapes itself based on what you think repeatedly. Every thought you repeat carves a deeper groove in your neural network, like water carving a canyon over time. Now here's where it gets fascinating. Your brain cannot fully distinguish between a vividly imagined experience and a real one. Studies using fMRI scans show that when you visualize something intensely, the same neural circuits fire as when you actually live it. So when you overthink a scenario, especially an emotional one, you are literally rehearsing it into your brain's architecture. There's also something called the reticular activating system, your RAS. Think of it as your brain's personal search engine. It filters out the 11 million bits of information your senses receive every second and shows you only what it believes is relevant to you. Here's the key. Your RAS is programmed by your dominant thoughts. What you think about most, your brain starts scanning the world for it. This is why after you buy a red car, you suddenly see red cars everywhere. The cars were always there. Your RAS just wasn't looking. Now imagine, if your dominant thoughts were about abundance, connection, success, what would your brain start noticing? So here is the 3-step technique to redirect your overthinking brain into a manifestation engine. I call it the NEW loop. Name it, elevate it, wire it. Step 1. Name it. Most overthinkers spiral because their thoughts are vague and shapeless. Fear of something bad happening, worry about not being good enough. The first step is radical specificity. Instead of fighting the thought, name it precisely. I am afraid I will fail my presentation on Friday. The moment you name it with precision, your prefrontal cortex, the rational part of your brain, activates. The amygdala, your panic center, starts to calm. Naming literally changes your brain chemistry in real time. Step 2. Elevate it. Now take that specific thought and run it forward with a positive outcome. Not toxic positivity, brain-directed rehearsal. I am afraid I'll fail my presentation, and I can see myself walking in, feeling calm, and delivering each point clearly. I can see the room nodding. I can feel the pride afterward. This is called mental contrasting with implementation intentions, a technique proven in studies by NYU researcher Gabriele Oettingen to significantly increase goal achievement. Your overthinking brain already knows how to run movies in your mind. You're just finally directing the film instead of being terrorized by it. Step 3. Wire it. Repetition is everything. Neuroplasticity requires consistency. Every morning, 5 minutes. Every night before sleep, 5 minutes. Run the elevated version of your most persistent overthinking loop. Make it emotional. Make it vivid. Your brain responds to emotion most strongly. Emotion is the accelerator of neuroplastic change. Within 21 days of consistent practice, studies on neural pathway formation show measurable changes in prefrontal cortex activity. Literally, a more regulated, optimistic brain architecture. You are not manifesting by magic, you are manifesting by neuroscience. Your overthinking mind is not your enemy. It is the most powerful creative tool you have ever been given. You just never had the instruction manual. The people who seem lucky, the ones who appear to effortlessly attract the right opportunities, the right people, the right outcomes, they are not special. Their RAS has simply been trained to look for what they want. And now, so can yours. Start with just one thought tonight, one specific fear. Name it, elevate it, wire it. But here's the part most people skip, and it's the most important step of all. There is one specific moment in your day when your brain is most neuroplastic, most open to rewiring, most susceptible to what you feed it. I'll cover exactly when that window is and how to use it in the next video. If you want to know, subscribe, because that one piece of information could change how fast everything starts working for you.